Good day everybody, I'm Jan the Bomb and this is episode 2 of Be a Genius, where I teach you things which I don't know how to do myself. So today I'm going to teach you how to wire up a 5-prong switch for your car. So the concept is really simple. So basically this is a switch which will turn on some lights in the switch module itself when you switch on something else in your car. So the nodes on the switch are already labeled. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's all labeled here. There's 1 there, there's 2 there. Let me see if you can focus a little. Focus, camera, focus. There we go. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, first what you have to know is that there are 2 LEDs in this LED switch. One which will switch on all the way when you switch on your car or when you switch on your dash light, and another one which will switch on when you flip a switch and switch whatever you're controlling on. So basically you just connect 7 and 8 to the ground, 6 to your dash light control, or for my case a remote wire from a head unit. 3 connects directly to your appliance or to whatever 12-volt thing you want to switch on, and 2 connects directly to your power source. So yeah, it's actually that simple. So let's go at it. Okay, so once you've connected everything, you can start testing if your connection is working properly. So let me turn off my amplifier first. And let's test the light switch. And it turns on. Alright. Turn it on. And yes, we're good to go. Okay, other than that, you have to test if the lights are also, if the light in the switch is also working. So switch on the power. Let me take off this going on. And there you go. See? And off. So yeah,